Welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we are considering another interesting topic, Dalton's atomic theory. If you're joining us for the first time, we welcome you specially. This is a place where we learn the basics of chemistry step by step. Do well to check our previous videos. Let's get started. Now let's look at the definition. Dalton's atomic theory states that all matter is made up of tiny indivisible particles called atoms. Anything that is matter is made up of tiny indivisible particles, and those tiny indivisible particles are called atoms. This theory was proposed by a man called John Dalton in 1808. Now let's look at the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Postulates simply means the main rules or ideas that was used by John Dalton to explain this theory. Now let's look at number 1. All matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Number 2, atoms cannot be created, destroyed, or divided by ordinary chemical reactions. Number 3, all atoms of the same element are identical in size, mass, and other properties. Number 4, atoms of different elements are different in size, mass, and other properties. Now let's look at number 5. Atoms combine in simple whole number ratios to form compounds. As you can see, 2 hydrogen atoms combining with 1 oxygen atom to form water. Number 6, in a chemical reaction, atoms are rearranged, but they are not created or destroyed. As you can see in the formation of water, the rearrangement of the atoms, but they cannot be created or destroyed. So these are the 6 main rules called postulates in which Dalton's theory was explained. So we are going to be stopping here in this lesson. In our next lesson, we are going to be looking at the modern theories, talking about the limitation of Dalton's atomic theory, because there are modern discoveries and which will lead us to the limitation of this theory. Now, before we go, let's take a look at the following questions. Number 1 question, according to Dalton's atomic theory, matter is made up of tiny particles called dash. A, molecules. B, atoms. C, ions. D, elements. The correct answer is B, atoms. Number 2, which of the following is one of the Dalton's postulates? Number A, atoms can be divided into smaller particles. B, atoms of the same element are identical in mass and properties. C, atoms are destroyed during a chemical reaction. D, different elements have the same kind of atoms. The correct answer is B, atoms of the same element are identical in mass and properties. So you try this one. Number 3, in a chemical reaction, atoms are dashed, but they are not created or destroyed. A, changed. B, rearranged. C, broken. D, melted. So you write the correct option in the comment section. Thank you for watching to this point. If you have found this video helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, and share with someone. You can actually be helping that child that is always complaining that chemistry is hard by sharing this piece of video with someone. Thank you once again. We'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.